After a crash, if your car is deemed repairable, many vehicle owners are surprised to learn that not all replacement parts are the same. During the repair process, you may hear terms such as OEM parts, aftermarket parts, or LKQ parts. Understanding the differences can help you better evaluate a repair estimate and discuss options with the repair shop and insurance company. OEM stands for Original Equipment Manufacturer. OEM parts are parts made by the vehicle manufacturer or one of its approved suppliers. These are generally the same type of parts that were originally installed on the vehicle when it was built. Many vehicle owners prefer OEM parts because they are designed specifically for the vehicle and often match the original fit, finish, and specifications. Another category is aftermarket parts. Aftermarket parts are manufactured by companies other than the original vehicle manufacturer. Some aftermarket parts perform very well, while others may differ slightly in fit, appearance, or quality. Because aftermarket parts are often less expensive, insurance companies may choose to include them on repair estimates when permitted by state law and policy language. A third category is LKQ parts. LKQ generally stands for like kind and quality. These are typically recycled parts taken from another vehicle of similar make and model. For example, a recycled door, fender, mirror, or bumper assembly may be used during repairs instead of purchasing a brand new replacement part. Because these parts come from original vehicles, some repair facilities prefer them over certain aftermarket alternatives. One common concern involves safety. Many vehicle owners worry that non-OEM parts may affect vehicle safety, performance, or crashworthiness. The reality is that opinions on this topic vary, and different parts may raise different concerns. For example, cosmetic parts may raise different issues than structural or safety-related components. Another common concern involves vehicle value. Some vehicle owners believe the use of aftermarket or recycled parts may affect resale value or future buyer perception. This is one reason repair estimates and repair documentation can become important if questions arise later. It is also important to understand that laws regarding replacement parts vary by state. Some states have specific disclosure requirements regarding aftermarket parts. Other states have rules governing when certain parts may be used or what information must be provided to consumers. Because these laws differ, repair options available in one state may not be available in another. If you have concerns about the parts listed on a repair estimate, ask questions. Request clarification regarding whether the parts are OEM, aftermarket, or recycled LKQ parts, and discuss the available options with the repair facility and insurance company. If you have questions about repair estimates or replacement parts, feel free to reach out.